Now we're going to remove the mounting bolts that hold on this whole plastic grill assembly here. All right, so there should be one there, should be one here. All right, so now if we pull this away just a little bit, you can see your two mounting nuts here, 13 millimeter, one there and one right there. We'll remove those and this plastic assembly will come right out. There we go. There it is. We're going to install this now. You've got your little long flippy-do there. That's going to face towards the headlamp assembly, just like this. Now go ahead and put on those strange nuts. Both of them are started. Let's tighten them up. That feels great. All right, let's get this back on. It's time to get these bolts back in. Just gonna start it in. We'll start them all in and then we'll snug them up. All right, let's tighten them all up.